Hello, this is Miss Addie's class. Today we will continue to talk about how animals adapt to their environment to survive. Hi, third graders. Today you will create a creature. Yes, you will create your own creature. Your creature must be able to survive in the desert. So use your imagination and your knowledge of adaptation. You will need the following materials: art supply, your crayons, your magic markers, and I will give you a species card. You must know the following words: adaptation, survival, and trait. Adaptation helps a species survive in a specific environment. Survival, the needs of food, water, shelter, and space to survive. And traits, these are the qualities that make creatures different from one another. Well, we talked about the desert, how it can be so hot, dry, and humid, not a lot of trees, not a lot of vegetation. We talked about animals that live in the desert, like the desert king snake. We talked about camels, and we also talked about the fennec fox. Yeah, there are actually foxes in the desert. So when you think about the creature you're going to create, brainstorm. How does it move? Think about its body covering. I will give each of you an Encyclopedia of Life species card. You will create your own species. Draw a picture of your animal and fill out the traits and its adaptation. Each of you will present your creature to your classmates. You will describe each adaptation feature and how it helps your creature survive in the desert. Thank you so much. I can't wait to hear about your creature.